Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to configure deep learning environment. Basically, we need to install Python and create a virtual environment and then install packages that we need. Alright, let's go. Firstly, we need to install Python from the official website, and we can just click the link here. And scroll down, you can see many different versions of Python. For deep learning, especially computer vision tasks, I recommend just using Python 3.10 to 3.12 because these versions usually work well with common libraries like OpenCV, NumPy, and so on. And for me, I just choose the 3.12. Let's click here, download, and scroll down, and you will find that there's no installer because Python 3.12.10 was a lots of full bug fix release of Python 3.12. Okay, so it seems like we need to find the specific version to get an installer. So we can come back to this page and looking for a specific release 3.12.10. Here we go. Click download and scroll down, and you will find that there's different installers. And for me, my laptop is Windows and 64-bit, so I just choose this one. And click here, download, and double click. And then we can start installation. And remember to click here, add Python.exe to path. And I will choose the customize installation and click next. And for the location, I prefer install it in my customized location, like here. Python 3.12. Okay, I click install. Alright, we have already successfully installed it, and let's check it. I install it in here. Oh, remember your installation path, the location. And you can just click the python.exe. This is the Python version that we just installed. And let's just check it. Print hello world. Well, it looks good. 1 + 1 = 2. Yeah, it looks good. And after that, we can create a virtual environment for our project. A virtual environment is an isolated Python environment for a specific project. It helps us keep, it helps keep dependencies clean and avoids conflicts between different projects. And let's go to the root directory of our projects. This is my project root directory. My project. Let's just click here. Right click and open in terminal. And you can find it. We open our project in the command line. And let's just run this command. Python -m virtual environment .virtual environment, and we should replace the Python path inside the angle brackets with the actual path of Python that we installed in the previous step. And for me, my location is this is my location. video to Python 3.12 and Python.exe. Let's just copy it copy it and Python.exe and -m and virtual environment dot virtual environment and hit enter, and we can check our virtual environment folder. Let's go back to our root directory of our virtual environment. We can see that there's a virtual environment directory, and there's some files of our environment. And let's open it in our terminal. And next step, we need to activate the new environment using this command. Let's just dot virtual environment and scraps and activate, hit enter, and you will see, oh, we've activated our virtual environment. And let's check the Python version. Python version 3.12.10. That's a specific version that we want. Now we have created a virtual environment for this specific project, and then we can install the packages that we need. For deep learning, there are two commonly used frameworks, of course, PyTorch and TensorFlow. In this video, we will take PyTorch as an example. So let's just Google it. PyTorch, and let's go to the official website. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and install PyTorch. There are several options here, and you can just choose the ones that fit you setup best. If you have access to GPU, you can choose the CUDA version. Otherwise, I recommend you just choose the GPU version. And you can see that latest stable PyTorch requires Python 3.10 or later. That's why I recommend you to choose a version from the Python 3.10 to 3.12. And let's just copy it. And we run it in our command line, and be careful. You need to run it in your virtual environment. You must activate it first, and then you can run the command inside your virtual environment. And hit enter. And now we successfully installed the PyTorch. And what's more, I highly recommend that you also install JupyterLab, which can help you see the output of each cell of code more clearly. And we can just run the pipe install JupyterLab and hit enter to install it. Okay, and we can just use this command to launch our JupyterLab, and hit enter. And you will see a link like this, localhost 888 lab token, yeah, something like that. And we can just copy it, and open it in our browser. Whoa, here we go. And now we can, write the code in the JupyterLab. We can run the Python code here, like the print hello world, and you will see the output hello world. Okay. word anyway. And now we are basically good to go. Here's an optional step. I prefer coding in VS Code instead of just in the browser. So, VS Code has so many useful extensions, and I like it. So we can install the extensions in the VS Code here. Extensions, click it, and we need to install two extensions. The first one is Python. You can click here and install this one, Python. And the second one is Jupyter, this one, and you can install it. And after you install these extensions, you can run the Python code. Let's show you. You can just print hello world. And if it's your first time or run it in VS Code, it will ask you to select the kernel. And we can just click here, Python environments. And this is our current virtual environment. You can say it .virtual environment Python 3.12.10, and just click it. And you can run it. Click here, there's a button. Hello world. You can see the output. It's pretty good. And finally, let's verify that this virtual environment and installation work correctly. We can run this code, all of this code, and check the output. Let's import the torch first, import the packages. And let's print some, information. And you can see the version of Python. That's what we want. And the torch version, and the CUDA available to, and the CUDA version, and the current device ID and the device name. We have a GPU, which is GTX 1650. And what's more, you can use it. This is also a commonly used command to check the GPU information. And you can see the CUDA version, GPU memory usage, and the GPU's name here, GTX 1650. Alright, that's all. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions or found any mistakes in this video, please leave a comment. Then we can talk and study together. See you.